Hi, dear students. I hope you have enjoyed the first lesson as well as the first poem. Now, let me move towards the second lesson. There is a girl by the tracks. Here, the author tries to sketch the qualities of love and compassion through the character of Baleshwar. So, the lesson begins with the railway station of Mumbai suburban train. So major characters of the story is Roma Talreja, Baleshwar Mishra, a tempo truck driver, and three more minor characters are there. They are Dinesh, Roma's brother, and Dr. Agarwal, and Cobb. Whatever may be the characters, but the story brings a fantabulous message to the human community. Mumbai suburban train. We have seen the railway station of our locality, but the Mumbai suburban train is totally different from the railway stations what we are traveling. Here you can see the scene of Mumbai suburban train, the scene of commuters getting out and into the railway coaches in a rush. So you can see the rush here. This is not the scene of season. This is a regular scene in Mumbai suburban trains railway station, because in the metropolitan cities maximum people depends on the railways only. So you can see the Mumbai suburban station scene here. Among the major two characters, Roma is one of them. Roma was a BCom graduate from Pune. She was working as a call center executive. Call center executive means you know that when you call to the customer care, there some people are giving information to you. That kind of job is called as the call center job. She is also working as a call center executive. Her brother was Dinesh Talreja. He was running a shop. Roma Talreja was engaged with the boy. Her fiance is Vijay. She is a young and energetic lady. She loved her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. It means that she is enjoying her job and she is a lively woman. So the second most important character is Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra was an unemployed high school dropout. He came to Mumbai in search of some job. He was from Mirzapur district, Uttar Pradesh. So now you come to know about the two major characters of the lesson, Baleshwar Mishra and Roma Talreja. After completing her job, means after the completion of that day, she moved towards the railway station to go to her home. In the first slide, I have showed you that how rush the Mumbai suburban stations are. So Roma has to travel through the train. So Roma reached the railway station and she with much effort, she entered the railway compartment. Roma tries to settle in the corner near the door because the train was very rush. It was very risky as there was a great rush. People were pushing each other to stand safely in very less space. You know, in bus we can travel minimum 50 passengers, 50 to 60. But in train more than 100 passengers are traveling in a compartment. But when it was very crowded, it is very difficult to travel because the train moves very fast. So she tried to comfort herself. Suddenly she got a push. She lost her tennis foothold and panicked and was thrown out of the coach. See, she was standing near the door. She got some push. As a result of it, she was thrown out of the coach. You can see the imaginary picture here. A lady was falling. So, in the opposite direction, a train was coming. In the train, the hero of the lesson, Baleshwar, was traveling. Baleshwar had seen the girl falling out of the train. It means he had seen the girl by the tracks. So suddenly, this kind-hearted boy Baleshwar asked the other passenger to go with him to help the girl. But no one came forward to help Baleshwar because they were feared of, the people of Mumbai were feared of police and court. You know, when somebody witnessed the accident, they have to give the witness to the police or to the court. So in fear of the police and court, they didn't come forward to help Roma. So Roma was on the tracks unconsciously. There was a large wound behind her head and blood was flowing out. So there was no response from her. Baleshwar didn't waste his time. He suddenly jumped off the train. On seeing girl on the tracks, Baleshwar immediately pulled the red emergency chain of the train. You know, there is a red chain will be at the right or left portion of the compartment. If you pull it, the train immediately stops. So Baleshwar did the same. Baleshwar pulled the red emergency chain. The train started to be slow and Baleshwar bravely jumped off the moving train and rushed towards the girl Roma. As soon he reached there, he asked, "Behan ji, aap theek hai?" But there was no response from Roma. She was by the track senselessly. There was a large wound behind her head and blood was flowing out. It was a horrible sight for him. So, helpless Baleshwar lifted Roma and moved towards the roads. He requested many motorists who were traveling in that road. He requested them, "Please help me to take my sister to the hospital." But nobody. Then he asked a tempo truck driver who stood there, a Gujarati tempo truck driver who stopped his vehicle and helped Baleshwar to take Roma to the hospital. While taking, a cop came there. He didn't help, but he gave a suggestion to Baleshwar, hey, take this girl to the Airoli hospital. The cop means police suggested, but Baleshwar took the girl to the nearby hospital because this Airoli, what the cop has suggested is far away from the place. So, seeing at the serious condition of Roma, Baleshwar decided to take girl to the nearby hospital. In the nearby hospital, Roma was given some essential treatments only, first aid treatments. Thereafter, her condition was very serious. So, as per the prescription of the hospital, Roma was taken by Baleshwar to the City Multi-Speciality Hospital. The name of the hospital is Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital. There, Dr. Anil Agarwal immediately admitted Roma. Why? Because her condition was very critical. So, without any paperwork, the Dr. Anil Agarwal admitted Roma and he took Roma to the ICU, intensive care unit, and given her the necessary treatment, and he bring Roma out of danger. So then there her fiance, her brother Dinesh also there. Her brother Dinesh told Baleshwar that, see, Roma has lost her cell phone and bags. Have you seen? This kind-hearted boy, Baleshwar, revisited the accident spot to see any belongings of Roma's were available. Some or one of the railway employee told him that, yes, we found some handbags and cell phones. It was in the railway station. You can take. Then this boy Baleshwar go to the railway station and he took the belongings of Roma and handed it over to Roma's brother. After her recovery, Roma thanked Baleshwar. See, he not only took her to the hospital, totally we can say Baleshwar has saved the life of Roma. Because if Baleshwar didn't come forward to help her, Roma would have bled to death. Because in that unfamiliar and midst of the railway track, nobody will help her. So Roma thanked Baleshwar with her words. Roma was amazed to hear about the manner in which she had been rescued. She wondered how a stranger could jump off a train and risk his life for her. She could not imagine what would have happened to her if Baleshwar had not been there. She felt that she could never repay him for what he had done. So, Roma thanked Baleshwar with her words. So, this is what the lesson. There is a girl by the track. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೀಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಪಾಠ ಮುಂಬೈ ಸಬ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ನ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕಳಾದಂತಹ ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೇಜ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಹುಡುಗಿಯ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಿನ ಕತೆ. ಅವಳು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ಲು. ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ಗೂ ಅಥವಾ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೇರ್ಗೂ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹದ್ದೇ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಇವಳು ರೋಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಬೈನ ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿ ರಶ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಅದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಶ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಸಂಜೆ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಳು ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹತ್ತೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಭಯಂಕರವಾದಂಥ ರಶ್ಶು, ಹಾಗೂ ಹೀಗೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರುಗಳ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಳ್ಳಾಟ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅವಳು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಅವನು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅವಳು ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವನದನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವನು ಅವಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವಳು ಅನ್ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಸ್ತೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ರಸ್ತೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಹೊತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂತರ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗುಜರಾತಿ ಟೆಂಪೋ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐರೋಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಐರೋಲಿ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದದ್ರಿಂದ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವಳು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಡಿವೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ. ಡಿವೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವಳನ್ನು ಬದುಕಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಲ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಅವಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ರೋಮಾ ಬದುಕ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬದುಕಿದ ದಿವಸ ಅವಳ ಸಹೋದರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ರೋಮಾದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಮೊಬೈಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳೆದೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ರೋಮಾ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಬದುಕಿಸಿದವನಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಭಾಳ ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೆ ಅದು ಆಸೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದುರಾಸೆ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಪರಿಚಿತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯತ್ವದ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸೆಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂತಹ, ರೂಪಿಸುವಂತಹ, ರೂಢಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯತ್ವನ ರೂಢಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಾಯ್ಪಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓದಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.